up, family? How you guys doing today? I'm here with Milky Tech, and living in Atlanta, Georgia, there are a lot of crazy drivers out here, and getting into an accident and being able to prove that you are not at fault is great. Let me show you this device here, a nice dash cam to prove your innocence. Let's get this done. This FHD Dashcam is made by Toguard. It installs directly onto your mirror. It has G sensor, so if any kind of accident or somebody trying to open your car, it will automatically begin recording. It loop records, so eventually when your SD card fills up, it will just erase the old data. It records at 1080p. We have an advanced quick chipset and a nice wide angle lens. Let's open this guy up. All right, so remove the phone. We have the device itself. We'll look at it in a bit. More protectiveness. This dash cam has a backup camera included with it. So if your car doesn't have a backup camera, you can run this. We have the charge cable, the mounting gear, and the USB Type B to full USB so you connect to your computer. Here's a nice sticker you put on the car, owner's manual, and how to redeem free accessories. Let's go over the device itself. Take this out. We have a protective film over here. We'll take off in a little bit. We have our controls over here, two rubber pads so it doesn't crack the mirror. Our camera, microSD. It is not included in the package, so you will have to get a microSD card where the backup camera connects, where the USB connects, and a microphone. And here is where we mount the two rubber bands that mounts hold it securely to the mirror. All right, so let's get to the installation. This is fairly simple. You just take it, you put it over here, over your current mirror, and then you have two rubber bands that go around it and hold it securely over here, which are in this bag over here. We only need two, but they give you two extra just in case. Other rubber bands, you just take it over here, and it just clips right in. Now it's secured. Put these over here. Pull the rubber band in, out, and it just goes right in. And it is secured on. I would just plug it in up here for power. And now that we have it up there, and something that I should have done, we're gonna plug it in and see if it works. And it turns on. And now we just want to adjust it. And now you can do cable management if you want, or just leave it the way it is. I think cable management should be done. I like to hide the cable behind the headliner. So this tool is included with every package. It's a nice little plastic pry tool. In areas like that where you can't really put your finger in, you can just use this. Once you're done with this, you can use this to open or pry apart things without scratching them. Shove it in there. Now, behind the weather stripping. As you can see, the nighttime quality is alright on these cams. It is nothing to write home about, but at least, you know, it does the job and we can see something. Now, I had some daytime footage, but apparently the loop recording overrode that, so yeah, we didn't have any footage available. There you have it, guys. An easy install of the dash cam. Now there's the capability of running a backup camera in the near future. The cable that comes with this backup camera is too short to run all the way to the back of the van with proper cable management, because you can't just have it installed and the door can't open without ripping the camera off. Now the car is secured. If anything were to happen, God forbid, we could record it and prove innocence. Plenty of detail with a 1080p camera. I think this is a good product. I personally have this product in my own car, and now we've installed it in my mother-in-law car. The link for this product or an updated product will be in the description below. If you like this content, smash that like button, subscribe, hit the bell so you get notified when I release my next video. If you guys have a comment, question, suggestion, or want to say hello, drop it in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.